Well, this is big for a lot of folks. Tens of thousands of dollars for millions of borrowers across the country hanging in the balance this week. Yeah, the Supreme Court going to hear arguments tomorrow over President Joe Biden's student debt relief plan. Many could see their loans wiped away or significantly reduced if the justices side with the Biden administration here. So we're running down three things you need to know about this case. First, you've got two different brackets here. This forgiveness. How does it work? Well, it would go here. Cancel $10,000 worth of debt in federal loan for people making about $125,000 a year or less individually, $250,000 for couples. Now, the $20,000 is for Pell Grants in college, and $20,000 going to be taken off if you did receive that Pell Grant. So how did this case end up in the nation's highest court? First, a lower court dismissed a lawsuit involving 6 other states, and that does include South Carolina. But a panel on the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals put the program on hold, and the Supreme Court agreed to weigh in on this. So the other case going to the Supreme Court involves 2 different individuals, including one who is ineligible for debt relief because her loans are privately held, and another man who isn't eligible for $20,000 in relief because he did not receive any Pell Grants. So now, what's the timeline of all of this? Well, it really could be months before we see any movement, or if you going to be paying on any loan balances that you may have. If there's no resolution in court by the June 30th deadline, payments will resume about 60 days after that. Carolyn?